What is up, guys? It's Peter Power 049 here, and today I'll be showing you around the, well, I'll be doing some more stuff to the 68 Galaxy, and I'll be showing you around my truck. And right now we're going to get to work on the Galaxy. So what we're doing here today is, these are my reflectors that go right here. And as you can see, they were falling off, so before I totally lost them, I took them off and threw them in the car for now. But I'm going to be scraping this old double-sided adhesive off, and we're going to be putting these back in. So let's get to it. I'm using to glue these reflectors back on. This is emblem glue, emblem adhesive, used on like these type of emblems, and we're just going to be putting just enough on to hold it on, and I'll scrape whatever is left off later that I can get to. Alright, gotta let that sit there and dry for a sec. Sounds like my neighbor left. Alright. That's good. Now, moving to the other side. This is tough. Oh, wait a minute, hang on. There you go. That works. Just grab one of my rims that I have sitting around. Alright, hang on. You guys could probably see it in the background there. So here's my pickup. This is a 1969 Ford F-250, and those numbers up there, those are drag racing numbers. I took this thing drag racing the week before I blew the motor up. Yeah, and I think I know what happened with the motor. I was coming home from on my way home from work, and I was messing with a Mustang guy, and I think I was pushing it too hard, and I floated the valves and destroyed every intake valve. So that's part of the reason why he doesn't run right now. But yeah, I freaking love this truck. Bought it out of a junkyard for $1,000 and been working on it ever since. But when I originally got this truck, it didn't have a bed on it, so I sourced that parts truck over there, which I took this bed from, and I put a new gas tank in this truck. What else did I do? I put a new clutch in, rebuilt the motor. There's a gas tank. Gotta love that, you know, having a gas tank behind the front seat. I had to put a set of mirrors on it, and this is actually the mirror off the passenger side because I broke the driver's side mirror. But and these are new. I got these emblems off of eBay. I freaking love them, but I wish they were bigger so they'd match where the original emblems were. Yeah. Here's the big block 360, and it's actually annoying. I was trying to pull the oil pressure sender out, and the freaking thing's stuck in there. I must have over tightened it, and it's stuck in the oil filter adapter. So that'll be fun for another day. Yeah. So much for trying to build this thing up, but I got a new motor for it, and I'm going to be putting a Ford inline 6 in this thing. And it sucks because I already had headers and a full exhaust system on it, and I blew it up 2 weeks after I put that system on. Yeah. Sad looking truck right now, but soon he'll be running again. Just got to get the parts for that other motor. And I'm still working on what happened. Was I had put primer on this truck at one point, and it looked awful with the primer. I hated it, and I wanted the old patina back. So all I did was I took a bunch of rags and a bunch of cans of brake clean, and literally just elbow grease takes this primer right off. It's amazing. And I still got to go, and it's really rough. I kind of want to smooth it out, make it real nice, and what I want to do is I want to fake the patina from the rest of the truck onto the bed and make it look all as if it was one piece. And the end game for this truck is it's going to get a 7.3 IDI motor with a custom built twin turbo setup, pushing 600 horsepower and 700 foot-pounds of torque out of it, or maybe even 1,000, because you know those diesels, they love to make torque. But it'll have an under-cab fuel tank, because I'm not running diesel with an in-cab fuel tank. No way. Especially when it's only a 19-gallon tank. No way in hell. And it's going to get the disc brake set up front. It's going to get hydro boost, all the crazy diesel stuff. And maybe I'll even make it a dually. But I don't know yet. But the end look for this thing is going to put it on a set of semi-truck airbags. And it'll be quite a bit lower. And maybe get some 22-inch Alcoa semi-truck wheels with the 8 to 10 lug adapters, and I think this thing would look amazing. But we'll get to that point at some point in the future. But for now, it's going to be a gasser truck. And this isn't original. This used to be like a gray and black, and the what was it? The lens was all faded out and garbage looking, and I put a new lens in, and that's when I painted this bezel. I need to pull it out and redo it though. It's getting all full of dust and shit. But that's it for this video today, guys, and I'll see you all later.